Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your notifications on Google Sheets. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to manage your notifications in Google Sheets, including how to set up and customize notifications for changes to your shared spreadsheets. Now, Google Sheets allows you to receive email notifications when certain changes are made to a spreadsheet or to a shared spreadsheet specifically. You can customize these notifications to alert you when a change occurs or when someone submits a form linked to the sheet. Now, here is how you can set up notifications. Open the Google Sheet for which you want to set up notifications. Then in the top menu, go ahead and click on Tools. From the drop down, select Notifications and select Edit Notifications. A window titled Set Notification Rules will appear, which is here. Now here you can specify when you want to receive notifications. So go ahead and click on Add Another Notification Rule. So the first thing is when changes are made. So notify me when changes are made. If you select when changes are made, it means this will notify you when any edits are made to the sheet. And if you select when a user submits a form, it means this is useful if the sheet is linked to a Google form. You receive notifications whenever a form submission is made. Then you have to choose notification frequency. You can choose how often you want to receive notifications. If it is email daily digest, it means you receive one email per day that summarizes all changes made throughout the day. And if you choose email right away, it means you receive an email immediately after changes are made. So once you are done, go ahead and hit save. You can manage multiple notification rules if needed by repeating this process for other sheets or changes. Okay, so the next thing to do is to view and edit existing notification. Follow the same process, right? Tools, click on Tools, click on Notification, click on Edit Notification, and it takes you to this window. So you will see a list of current notification rules. I have one here, and then you have the Edit option here. So you can edit a rule by clicking on this Edit option, and you can delete a rule by clicking on this Delete option. Now, if you no longer want to receive notifications, this is what you can do. Open the sheet, click on Tools, and click on Notification Rules again. And in the list of notification rules, click on Delete next to the rule you want to delete. And once deleted, you'll no longer receive notifications for that sheet. That's it. So these steps will allow you to manage your notification settings for Google Sheets effectively, whether you want to be notified of real-time changes, daily updates, or you want to turn off notifications altogether. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.